Rahmen, wie geht it? How's it going? It's Mike. So today, I'm gonna do a trip that I've wanted to do for a long time. I'm heading south to do the Minett Tour. It's a 5-stage sightseeing tour. And what I'm interested in is how easy or difficult it is to get around. Here, can you take this? Yeah. Okay, so I want to go from Luxembourg to Dudelange. And what I'm going to do is take a train from Luxembourg to Bettembourg, and then from Bettembourg to Dudelange, I'm going to take a bus. We should get going. Hey guys, first things first, mask. We're gonna go inside and check the timetable. Okay, 4 AB. Hey, this is my friend Rahmen.
Salut!
Look, Rahmen, wie geht it?
Ja, super.
Do you need some help?
Nee, dat is goed. Ik laat het zelf wel maken daar.
Ah, all right,
Okay,
man.
goed.
Well, that's easy enough. Rahmen, where are you going?
Misschien naar Peterburg. Maar hoe gehst du hin?
I am doing the Minett Tour. And my first stage is going to be the Documentation Center for Human Migrations. It sounds really interesting, so I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, Rahmen, it was great seeing you. So, I'm in Dudelange. Now, to get to the Documentation Center for Human Migrations, I have several options. I can rent a Velo K at one of several locations here in Dudelange, or I could have rented one back in Bettembourg. Thing is, they're free, which is great. Or I could take bus 9, or we could do what I'm going to do, which is ride my bike, because I brought it. And that way, I can ride through the Italian Quarter, which is really, really cool and historic. What we just rode through was the Italian district. You can find out more about their history at the, ta-da! The Documentation Center for Human Migrations. We made it. So I'm gonna go inside and have a look. Here, you take this? Yeah. And I'll see you next time on FORT E GEET.